Alright, so good morning, guys. This is a continuation of from where we left off. We're still doing patch modeling using NURBS, and we're gonna learn all about Loft today. Alrighty, so let's head on straight away. Alright, so I'm gonna open up Maya, and we're gonna do this first. We're gonna go to create NURBS primitives, go to circle. Right, so get a circle. Remember, NURBS can be made out of curves, and circle is a type of curve. So I have my circle here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to tweak it a bit. So I'll just make it a bit bigger. I press R, by the way, to access my scale tool. So I'll just make it a bit fatter like that. And from here, maybe I'll say I want to go to control vertex, and I want to tweak it a bit. So I'll select that control vertex, bring it in, make it look like a kidney shape. So I'm gonna select this and scale it up, perhaps move it to the right here, perhaps scale it in Z like that, perhaps move this guy a bit maybe, tweak this guy a bit, perhaps move him here, perhaps. Right, so I'm happy with this. Let's just say this is okay, and what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna duplicate. So I'll control D, or you can go to edit and say duplicate here. Control D is the shortcut. So duplicate that and bring it up. Sweet. I'll just make this one a bit smaller. So I'll just make this a bit smaller, and maybe I'll scale it this way, perhaps bring it down a bit maybe. Right, and I'll control D again, duplicate. So control D and bring it up. So whenever it's duplicated, whenever you control D, it will duplicate in the same spot. So you gotta move it in order to see the duplicate. And I'll just bring it up again. I'll just make it smaller this way, and I'll say I'm happy with this for now. Right, so what are we gonna do with this? The way Loft works is you need to select it in sequence. So you might select the first circle, the second circle above it, the third circle at the very top, right? And you can tweak this if you want to, but I'll say that I'm happy with this one now. And go to surfaces, Loft. Just click Loft and see what you get. And what happens is basically Maya will figure out how, based on the Loft algorithm, how to connect all these three curves and form that patch surface that you see here. So that's your NURBS surface that has been created via Loft. Right, as always, you can tweak this. So let's go to Windows Outliner, and you'll see these were the NURBS circles that were used to create our lofted surface here. So as always, you can still tweak it. So I'll select my first NURBS circle. I go to right mouse button and go to control vertex. You can still tweak this to your liking. For instance, I'll say make that a bit bigger, maybe elongate that part perhaps, so you get something like that going on. And you can go to each one of these and do whatever you want, because it is still live. Select this one here, and maybe let's do something with it. With this, maybe I'll just bring this out like that. So it is still editable, so you don't have to live with whatever patch surface that you get straight away. It is still editable, and you can tweak it to your liking. So I suggest you to give it out a try, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, see ya.